Thanks to Jason at Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for the professional installation of our SENSEN shocks. We always recommend for you to go to a professional for this type of repair. Today we will be replacing a set of rear shocks on a 2013 Ford F-150 rear-wheel drive. This set also fits Ford F-150 2011 through 2014 rear-wheel drive, Ford Lobo 2011 through 2014 rear-wheel drive. We recommend using SENSEN shocks and struts when replacing your worn-out shocks and struts. SENSEN shocks and struts come with a limited lifetime warranty. They are benchmark tested against industry leaders for quality and designed to meet our exceeded original equipment specifications. SENSEN has been manufacturing shocks and struts since 1985. Their shocks and struts use Japanese NOK seals for superior leak resistance and come with a premium powdered coated finish to provide a long-lasting corrosion and rust protection. The SENSEN brand is where quality meets affordability. Some of the tools needed for this installation include a 50mm wrench and an 18mm wrench. This concludes our rear shock installation on a 2013 Ford F-150 rear-wheel drive. Be sure to look for our front complete strut assembly installation video for this vehicle. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for their professional installation.